Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. And yes, Mr. Stephen Dow is back. He was out for a week or so because he was sick, but he's back. I would say he's about 85%. He doesn't quite have the zip in the energy, but it's almost there.
I mean, we're slowly on the mend. Takes a lot more to keep me down, though. But yeah, for sure, the first 24, 36 hours was kind of rough.
Last week was rough. Do me a favor, hit that marketed thing real quick, because I almost forgot in the first video.
That's okay. I was like, yeah, it's been a while, so he's probably going to forget. But again, although I worked very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital, all the ideas and topics discussed on this channel are that of my own. So let's get it going.
Very cool. So I want to tie this conversation with you in with what I have going on for my students and the channel on YouTube. So if you've been following my channel the last week or so, I'm ecstatic to have Todd Baldwin and Spencer Cornelia, two legends of YouTube and millennials who are quite simply crushing it. Both have earned financial freedom. It'd be very interesting. I believe both of them are going to credit house hacking with the thing that set them on their way. Spencer, obviously, house hacks in Vegas, and Todd, house hacks in Washington State, Seattle area. Both very expensive areas. And then the following week, we are going to house hack residential units with Dion and Matt. And let's be very clear, Velocity Mortgage doesn't do owner-occ. So this house hacking concept in framework, as normally discussed, doesn't play. However, let's not forget that you can house hack commercials. Arnold Schwarzenegger, got his start in acting because he could be picky. And the reason he could be picky is because he house hacked a sixplex. So again, people talk house hacking units, like Spencer will talk about 4 and 5 bedrooms. Matt and Dion will talk about duplexes through quads. But realize that if you're in a market and you could maybe find an apartment building and you want to live in an apartment building, you can house hack an apartment, and Velocity Mortgage will help you. Is that correct, Stephen?
100%. So at 5 or more units, you can live in one of the units and rent out the other 4 or more units. So in this case, we could definitely help in the ease of use of the product, especially on the investment side, because again, unless you can kind of fit that tighter window for the conventional financing side for commercial properties, it's typically much more difficult to get financing. So with us, typically, 25% down. You could do the 50-40-10 setup as well if the seller's willing or has enough equity.
That's true.
There's a lot of different options or levers, so to speak, is how you like to put it, to be able to pull to make this happen. I mean, even, first-time investors, obviously, we can even help with that. But the ease of use, again, is the fact that it's a stated income loan product. So no tax return, no pay stub, no W-2. In some cases, no DSCR either, because on purchases up to $750,000, which is somewhat more achievable to where you wouldn't have to have a DSCR as a requirement. So if the building itself hasn't really caught up as far as rents just yet, to be able to justify your desired loan amount, in this case, that might not apply. So that does help you to be able to get the financing you need initially to stabilize the property and then get higher rents in. So from that aspect, the ease of use, 30-year fixed money, hold title as an entity, and my loans don't report to the credit bureaus, we can definitely help with the apartment hacking or unit hacking in this case. So just kind of want to continue with the theme of of the week as far as, with the deep dives that you're having. So I think I can assist in that manner. But other than that, nothing on the residential 4 units or under for the house hacking kind of aspect. But definitely, give us a call or email me. I'd love to help.
Yeah, and I loved how you worked in the 50-40-10. I totally forgot that, right? I mean, if you're going to buy an apartment building, you need 25% down. That's a huge stroke. But again, if you tie all the things you're trying to do, you find a 10-unit building and the seller's got equity, why not try the 50-40-10 or the 30-60-10 like Miguel from episode 1 or just whatever, right? You can get in for 10% down.
Yes, sir.
And if you can house hack an apartment, you're going to be living for free. And you want the cheat code to wealth, there you go. Live for free, right? Get paid to live where you live. It's pretty amazing. And I can't wait till we do a deep dive tomorrow, 9 a.m. Saturday Pacific time for my students. We will, of course, give it away. I will post it on July 17th for all to see. And then the following week, we'll do another deep dive with Matt and Dion on units. I really do. I actually think house hacking should be an elective for, or maybe even a required course for high school seniors. If you can get on the property ladder at 20, you could be a millionaire by 30. And I think for most people, it's house hacking is the way to do it.
Right. And I think it should really be a course. I think back in the days, it was what, home economics, right? Mm-hmm. Home ec, whatever, as far as like being financially literate and other aspects. But I mean, for kids nowadays, instead of like all these YouTube stuff or TikToks or you got to get this car, this, like do this to where you can set yourself up in 10 years. By the time you're, going into your 30s, you could have like a good, nice, nest egg to kind of make some real generational moves to put yourself up to better quality of life, not be
when
slave, basically.
When you're not behind the ape. I mean, again, Arnold Schwarzenegger's story, right? I've read it. It was written. I think the article I read was written in the 90s. It basically talked about the reason that Arnold Schwarzenegger's career took off and he could wait for Conan Barbarian, which was his coming out movie, was because he lived for free. Right? He took his, I don't know, bodybuilding money that he earned, saved it, lived below his means. So kudos to him for that. He ultimately, first thing he buys is a sixplex, lives for free. So he's going to all these acting calls and he doesn't have to say yes. He doesn't have to take a BS meathead role. Right. He waits for Conan. So again, if you can find a way to live for free, the financial stress comes off, right? You can be more purposeful. You can make more choices. You can be more thoughtful. So I truly believe house hacking is the cheat code to wealth. I'm so glad that both Matt and Dion and Todd have added content to my course for free. It's a bonus. All of it is bonus sections. You've done the 50, 40, 10 deep dive. We're changing lives here on this channel, and it's fun to see people come along. If somebody wanted to reach out to you for apartment hacking or the 50, 40, 10 again, how do you want them to do that?
Again, just email would be great. SDAO@velocitymortgage.com. In the subject line, please just put the acronym ORAAT. Body of the email, brief description, maybe what you're looking for, property type, address would be great. Your desired terms, mid-FICO score, best phone number to reach you, typically 24, 40 hours, I'll be in touch. I'm putting together a website right now that will have a landing page with a quick little questionnaire to make things a little bit more efficient, because the overwhelming positive response is just causing some of my delay or causing some delays in the response time. So unfortunately, with me being sick or whatnot, it has caused some ripples. So putting together a good quality team to know what they're doing. So when you do email or something like that, you'll typically get, an answer within 30, 45 minutes is what I'm shooting for. So please bear with me for the next week or so. I'm almost there. The website's there. It's just putting together the landing page and the content and stuff like that. So we'll be there pretty quickly to make things a lot more efficient. So thanks again for your patience.
Awesome, buddy. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Thanks, Mike.